Welcome back to her channel.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is a very special day for me because I am sitting here with the one and only one in a million. It's my brother, JPC. I don't know if you guys remember. Oh shit, hold on, my dad's calling. 1 second. No, he just hung up. Never mind. Anyway. Okay, so for those of you who watched my last Boxycharm video, I did say that I actually this month did get the premium box and the base box. So this one came in the mail the day after I filmed the last one. So I figured I would go ahead and unbox it with you guys today. For you guys who don't know, Boxycharm is the monthly subscription. The base box that I will be unopening today is $25 a month, and I believe I get 5 to 6 full-size products, and it usually comes out to anywhere like over $100, $125. Yeah, I love it. Anyway, before we start unboxing, just please don't forget to
like and subscribe.
Comment. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you guys do like the unboxings, please, of course, let me know. If you don't like the unboxings, let me know. Or don't let me know. I don't know. But yeah, please don't forget to subscribe. Support your girl. Support your girl. For you guys who don't know, my brother did do my hair today. I don't know what you guys think about it. It looks like a little, I feel like a little girl.
This Harley Quinn volume?
He did it before, so. Alright, so let's go ahead and get straight to it. So, yeah, ready? Yeah. Okay, so this is what Boxycharm looks like right now. This is a lot smaller than the Boxycharm Premium that came in the other day. You saw the other box. That shit was so much nicer. Oh, I know I told you guys that I wanted to cancel one of them. I think I changed my mind. I might keep that for another month just to see how it goes. So anyway, when you open it up, this is kind of what it looks like. For this month, you have a card right here. It looks like this one is number, what does that say? 18. This one is Festival Vibes. Just like the Boxycharm Premium, it comes with a 55% off your next order for
Misguided.
There you go. I don't know what is Misguided.
Misguided is a really cute, like little store online. So
cool.
Check it out, guys. This is super cute. 55% off too. Misguided is super cute.
So hot here.
Look them up.
Oh, I don't know if you guys noticed a new background. My husband's in the other room right now recording some other stuff, so we decided to bring it into our bedroom. So I brought you guys to my room today. Anyway, right here also we have another thing for makeup eraser. I think this is a little coupon or something. Yeah, 20% off with the Boxy code Boxy20. And then we're gonna go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I see in this box, oh, you know what? Hold on. Because some of you guys have been asking me in the previous boxes how much the weight is of the box. I never really understood. If anybody can tell me why people do want to know them. So I never understood why, but I'm going to start mentioning it.
Boxes and stuff.
I have no idea why, but if somebody can let me know why, I have no problem starting to let you guys know. So I did look this one up, and this one says that the weight is 1.2 pounds. So that's how much this one weighs, if it does make any difference for anybody. So let's go ahead and you can open that up. I'm going to go ahead and tell me how much this product is. This is called, it's by the brand Elemis. It's Superfood Cica Calming Cleansing Foam. This is what the packaging looks like. It's a nice hot green bottle.
And it retails for $32.
Damn, Elemis. Okay, so it looks like, I'm assuming it's a foam. I can feel it already. There we go. And that's kind of, let me lower this lighting really quick. Actually, I don't need to lower anything. You guys can see that.
Supposed to nourish and calm the skin while also hydrating and lifting makeup, dirt, and grime.
Oh, actually, I want to say, no, put it on your hand.
Okay.
Here, you do it yourself. But I like the way it foams out. I'm not crazy about the smell.
We have such different opinions on
like basically everything that I was telling you guys I don't like, I give to him.
Exactly. I love the smell.
What would you describe this as?
It's like citrusy and limey. I don't know. I'm like weird at smells though. Like I love things that's like if an old lady would use it, I'd probably use it because like anti-aging.
Oh my god, that's a good point. So for here, it just says that you use 2 to 3 pumps, massage over damp skin, avoiding the eye area, rinse warm with water, and just make sure you don't get it in your eyes. So it actually kind of has, now that I'm feeling it, it has like a little tacky feeling too. I don't know. I'm not crazy about the smell. Well, it's supposed to be on your face. So it has like a tacky feeling, and I'm not crazy about the smell. So, but yeah, it retails at, what'd you say, $32? $32. So that's pretty cool. I mean, I guess if you're into that type of thing.
I'm a fan so far though, because like
it's probably gonna be his.
Because some people don't like it if it's tacky, but for me, if it makes your skin feel like tight, I'm a fan. I like to feel like I like to feel like I have a free facelift. So.
Okay, so next we have something by the brand Iconic.
Just like us.
Illuminator. How much does this retail for?
Oh shit. Okay. This is.
You have one job about it.
Oh wow, $41.
The fuck?
That's a little crazy.
That's a little crazy.
Illuminate myself for a run.
So like it looks really beautiful. I am actually not going to swatch this for you guys. I'm going to try to find a picture that we're going to put somewhere. Where should we put the picture? Maybe up here? Right here.
Dre, you know what to do.
We're gonna find a picture that will show you guys exactly what it looks like. I don't think it has an actual color. It just says original, because I will be including this in my giveaway that I'm going to be doing once I hit that 500 subscribers. I have a little boxy, actually I don't want to say it's little, it's actually pretty large, of a Boxycharm stuff that I've been getting the last couple of months, and I'm gonna put this in the giveaway. So I do not want to open it, but I will put a little swatch in here for you guys. Iconic is a really good brand. I do have other highlighters. Oh, they're fucking tequila.
This is a sign. All you subscribers need to fucking subscribe, because we need 500 subscribers so you guys can get some amazing products. And where's the tequila?
Oh my gosh. Okay, well there goes that. Anyway, moving on to the next thing. Alright, we have a pore primer. I didn't know I was going to receive this. This primer is by the brand Benefit, I believe. Yes.
Yes.
Oh my god, everything smells like tequila.
I know.
By the brand Benefit, and it retails at
$32.
Damn, okay. That's a lot. It's a smoothing face primer to minimize the look of pores. I have some open pores, I guess maybe around my nose and around here. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, see what
she doesn't have pores, but I do have pores, and this thing really does work amazing.
Yeah. Oh, he works at Ulta. Oh, we used to work at Ulta or whatever, so he knows.
Before Corona.
Yeah, coronavirus. Okay, so this one says that it targets pores, targets fine lines, and target makeup meltdown. Now, for all of you that know me, know that I do sweat a lot. Everything smudges on my face. So I'm going to go ahead and see what this actually looks like. I have no makeup on my skin right now because I didn't know that this was going to be in here today. So I kind of want to see what it looks. Oh, damn! I didn't know that this looked. I had no idea that this primer actually has a, like, what's it say, like, tint, yeah.
Because it does look lighter in the tube.
Yeah.
Darker on
I don't know if you can see. Hold on, let me lower the lighting really quick so you guys can see. See, there you go. So it's actually not white or clear like I would think otherwise. But this just says apply to face and blend with fingertips, wear alone, under makeup as a primer, or over makeup to touch up. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Let me go ahead and apply some of this now. Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck. Here you go. Alright.
It does look darker outside of the tube.
Oh, you know what?
I will say.
The consistency is a little tacky as well. You know what? I have my mirror right here. So I should have. And it smells like.
Get it, Susan.
Oh my god. Que huele. No, just not for the primer.
I won't smell it.
Smell me.
Should I smell it, please?
I kind of like it. It's really.
I'm shocked you like it. You know why? Because it smells like, no offense to the old ladies out there, but it smells like more old lady-like, and I love that smell.
It smells botanical.
It smells like it works.
Flowers. Smells like flowers, and I'm not really like a flowery type of gal.
And I am the flowery type of
yeah,
bitch.
he is. But I like it. I actually like the way it smells. I don't know if you can see any of my pores closing up.
But you don't have pores, so like it's hard to tell because you really don't, and I do have pores, but it looks good on you. It does look good.
No, you know what? I actually really like the consistency, the texture, and I actually surprisingly like the smell of it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to quickly put a little bit of makeup on my face to see how the primer actually holds the makeup on there. So yeah, I'll be right back. I guess I have to call my husband.
Chris Pratt, if you're out there, I'd love to come home to you.
Alright guys, so I did put on a little bit of concealer, foundation, some blush, and a little bit of highlight just to kind of see how it's looking. And what do you think?
I think it's good.
I actually really like the primer. What do I look like?
No, like you look good. Like it looks smooth, and the primer.
Yeah, it's very it's definitely very filling.
I've seen the primer on some of like my girls back home and stuff, and like it really does. Like the primer is like a miracle.
Yeah, no, I really like it.
And I've got some big ass pores, so.
So yeah, so far I really like the primer. That's definitely probably my favorite thing so far. So now moving on to the next thing on the list is these little brushes. They're super, super cute. As you can see, there's a blue, yellow, pink, orange, and a green one. They come in this cute little package. This is by the brand Lavish, and they retail at
$29.99.
Is there any little thing that it says about them? Are they cruelty-free? That's important.
A must-have all-in-one cruelty-free makeup brush collection that includes essential eye brushes you'll need to achieve an everyday, more dramatic look.
This is what they look like. Those are okay. They're soft.
Honestly, though, a lot of brushes do come in like boring colors, and these colors are actually really,
I really do like it. But this is actually supposed to be a festival box. Unfortunately, a lot of the festivals are canceled right now due to what's going on.
Due to Miss Corona.
So yeah, I mean, I guess they're still really cute to have. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna do a quick eye look just to kind of test the brushes out to see how they perform. Nothing crazy. I just want to try it on. But I am going to be using Boxycharm's Hello Charmer palette. I only used this one time so far. I think 2 boxes ago when I got it. I absolutely love this palette. It's so pretty, but I haven't really had the chance to play with them too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and do like a quick eye look, try every individual brush just to kind of see how they perform, and I'll be right back again. Back to the brushes. I actually really like these brushes a lot. They perform very well. The blending, especially this one, I actually really like the pink one. It blends really nice. I like how intricate, how small these are, because if you really wanted to use it for like a little line, all of them, it's just like a really nice little eye set to start some makeup with. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I mean, actually, you know what? Let me go ahead and put a little lipstick on for you guys.
Put a fun lip. I think you should do this one.
I'll be right back. Okay, so this is done. Basically, we did try out all the brushes, and I just did a little quick makeup look for you guys. I don't know what you guys think, but that's not a part of the video, but I figured we'd throw it in there. And last but not least,
my favorite part.
Go ahead and read it, Paolo. What is it? You gotta read what it is. Show the packaging.
Lastly, we're gonna show you guys the makeup eraser. This is the makeup eraser.
Yes,
oh yeah. Oh, sorry. And it retails for
$22. It says that this is the #1 sustainable makeup remover in the world. It erases all makeup with just water. It erases waterproof mascara, eyeliner, foundation, and more. So, I didn't know it was like, hold on, we gotta show
it. Look how cute it is.
This is actually really cute. I had no idea it was gonna look like this. Is what it looks. It feels like, what is that? Like a towel, but not really. I don't know, microfiber?
No, it's like a soft, like chameleon.
Chameleon fabric, I don't know. But anyway,
it's really soft.
We're gonna go ahead and try this out. So I really didn't want to do it this way, but I do want to try it out for you guys, because most of the time that people do unboxings, they just open them up, but I actually want to see if this shit works. That's gonna tell you guys if you should buy it or not. So you can go ahead and wet it up for me, and just make sure you know, when you go like that, rinse, ring.
No, both of those work.
So we're back, my camera's down. I'm sorry guys. What do?
We wet it?
We wet it up already, and I'm gonna go ahead and, this one. I'm just gonna swipe and see if this shit comes off. At least some of the makeup that I already applied. So I'm gonna go ahead and, oh my god.
Well, she swipes, I will tell you guys, I wet it, and like, it doesn't feel harsh at all. Like, it feels really, really soft, which I like.
I'm actually trying to take off some of like the glitter and stuff that I put on. Eyeshadow. So it's definitely really good as far as taking off the makeup, the foundation, the concealer off. My cheeks are really red right now because I've been drinking. That's the only reason. But anyway, it is doing a really good job at taking off all of that, as well as the eyeshadow. But I can see that anything that has any kind of glitter or anything like that is definitely not coming off as easy as the rest of the stuff is. And I really don't want to be too harsh around my eyes. Gotta take care of these wrinkles. So anyway, this is what it looks like, the makeup that comes off. It's nice and soft. It doesn't wow me like I thought it would, because I always hear really good things about this. But I mean, like I said, definitely did take off the stuff. So I can't complain. It's definitely just like the eye stuff that it's a little bit difficult to take off. So in closing, let me go ahead and give you guys from 1 to 5 or whatever. My favorite part of the box right now is definitely the primer. I love the texture. I love the consistency. I love how pretty it makes your skin look. Next to that, I would definitely, this is my personal opinion, I would definitely have to see the brushes. I like the colors. I like the texture. I like the how they perform. Number 3, if I had to make my guess, just because I know how they do work, it does perform, is the iconic illuminator, which, like I said, please don't forget to subscribe. That way you have a chance at winning this with the other giveaway stuff. That's the 3rd one. Moving on to number 4 would probably be, you know what, I don't know. It's for me, 4 and 5 is a toss-up between both of these. I thought this was gonna work a little bit better. It's all right, it's cool to have. It's a nice little thing to do. And then the cleansing foam, it's just me per se. I don't like the smell.
I do like the scent though.
I do love the foam, awesome. The foaming concept of it. I love. I know that this brand is really good. It's just that for me personally, I don't like the scent. So that is basically all of Boxycharm base box for the month of, what month are we in? April. If you guys are interested in any Boxycharm, I am going to link in the description box the link to Boxycharm, along with like my referral code and all that little stuff like that. So I don't know, what do you guys think about the box? Let me know, comment down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want Juan to join me in any more unboxings, because I don't know if I did tell you, but he actually is living here in Florida now.
Just moved in.
He moved in. He's my roomie now. So he's going to be making cameos more often. So if you want to see him, or if you want us to do something together, please let me know in the comment box what you guys want us to do. So, do you have anything else to say?
I think you guys need to like, subscribe, follow, comment, everything for my sister, because she's killing it. I think she's doing a really good job.
So cute. I love you.
I love you.
Mwah. All right, guys. So once again, thank you guys to everybody for supporting, and I love you guys so much. Muchas gracias. See you guys next time. Peace and love. Fucking fall. So what do you think?
I loved it.
Are you a YouTuber now?
I'm a YouTuber.
It's actually really trying to fucking use this crap. I feel like
coronavirus.
Coronavirus.
Oh God, I hate her. Where's her wine? Okay, you got that. White Claw, always.
All right. You think the lighting's okay?
Yes.